In this video, we learn how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. To do that, let's go to our web browser and then go to code.visualstudio.com and download the Debian package. Now that the download is complete, let's open our file manager and you can see that the code Debian package is in the downloads folder. So let's open a terminal and install this. For that, let's press Ctrl Alt T. This should open a new terminal. And let's set our current directory toward the downloads folder. Now let's install this package. So for that, let's type sudo apt install ./code and hit tab for the name to be auto completed. Now press enter. Let's enter our password and this will install code. You can ignore this warning. Now let's go into our app launcher and click Visual Studio Code. And now we have Visual Studio Code installed on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe.